Hello everyone, this is Mr. Milburn, me Lauscher. I thought I would do a quick tutorial on how to log into Clever. Okay, so about halfway through the video my camera may not be working anymore because I actually have to use the camera to be able to log in. So I'm going to go ahead and minimize myself here, but you will still be able to hear me, so don't worry. Even if this camera right here, this one in the corner, right over here, isn't working. But don't worry. So I'm already just opened my Chrome browser and I went to clever.com. You might have to do this for the kids. And then you log in as a student. Okay. Now, if yours already says San Mateo Foster City up here, that's great. If it doesn't, we'll go ahead and go back here so you can see here. You're going to go ahead and type in College Park Elementary School. Okay. And usually, sometimes it doesn't like the school on there. Let me try it this way. Oh, there we go. Okay. So if you just do College Park LM, then you'll see it, the third one here. And it says San Mateo Foster City School District. And then you have your school district up here on the top. After that, you're going to click on, you could click and log in with Google. You can use their school email and their ID, which I'm going to be sending you as well. You should have it by now when you're watching this video. And you can do it that way if you want to do it that way. The easier way for the kids, so they can do it on their own, is they click on this little picture here. It says Clever, and it has this little, looks like what we call a QR code. Kind of like the barcodes, but it's a 3D one, kind of. And you click on that, and then it might ask for access to your camera. Just allow it. And then I have one of my students' barcodes this year, and we're just going to move it up to the camera, and it's going to go straight in. And of course, they have both of our classes here. This is Miss Young's class and my class, because this student is in my homeroom, so they'll see my class here. Of course, it's in Chinese because it's from my Chinese class, and they'll have Miss Young. And here's all the apps that they can be using. There's the Better Immersion app and they can click on that and they'll be right into Better Immersion right away. So let's try that. We can go back like that, and should be logging them in right now. And it may ask you to consent and things like that, but it's already logged in. So we'll do more of Better Immersion stuff later. And also, it can also go into Seesaw, which is another thing where you'll see information from both of our classes. Oh, nothing's been added yet. Oh, I just used Naomi's because it was easier. So you can see that, and that's where our stuff for Seesaw will be there and everything like that. You can see my name up here, and it has my whole name, Mr. Milburn's kindergarten class, 米老师的中文班. And then here's a mi, right? Made out of rice, because that's what mi means. And then so we can do that one. You can also go to Twig Science. And all you have to do is click, and it goes right to it for you. It's really, really fast. Nothing there yet. We will get things in there. And there's also Zern, which is also the math. And I'm not going to do anything here because I don't want to start anything. But that's the math curriculum that we're using. And there's also Benchmark, where that's our English language arts. And everything you will have there as well. There will be assignments maybe. There might be a book library. Where you can read some books in there. There's a reading log, and there's an inbox where you can put things that you've done. All sorts of fun stuff. And you can change the background and all sorts of stuff if you want to do that. So that's all there. And it's all right away. You can go right into it. You can also go to our pages, and then they might be a little bit more geared towards one of our classes, okay? Because I know Miss Young has a whole bunch of English stuff in here, and I have of course, Better Immersion, Science, and Seesaw, because those are most of the stuff. And I'm probably going to put Zern in here too, and because that's what we're going to be doing in Chinese class. Okay, so that's pretty much how you do it. Pretty easy. You can get into Clever really quickly by using the QR code. And I will, in your email, you'll get all your login information, your QR code for Clever, and that's pretty much all you need. And it'll also have information about Google Meet and everything. Which I'm making another video of, which you'll probably might have seen already, or you'll be seeing it after this one. So I hope that helped. Sorry for my frozen face there, but I wanted to show you how to get in quickly, and also you can log out. And the next time you'll see it just right here. You might even leave this open on any computer that you have. Just have this window open, so every day the kid just has to go click, and then goes boom, and then you're done, and you're in. And that's as quick as it can go. All right. So that's a lot. I'm glad the district made this program available to us so we could do it this way, because it'll be a lot easier for our kids. Seesaw is going to be a lot of fun to do some things in as well. That'll have assignments sometimes maybe, or just fun stuff for them to look at. Of course, Better Immersions, our whole Mandarin curriculum, and the benchmark is the English curriculum. We have our science and our math, our Twig science, and then Zern for our math, and all sorts of fun stuff to do. So I hope you enjoyed this tutorial, and then you got to figure out things pretty quickly. And I will see you in class. Bye.